Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on now, let's get into this video. We are continuing with our shower steaming series and we're almost done with it. So come on, let's continue. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. Okay, let's begin with our shower steamers. We are making Heavenly Lavender. That means we are using Lavender Essential Oil, which I need to get. So let me just pause real quick and get the lavender. Okay, I have our Lavender Essential Oil. So as recipe, we have our baking soda, citric acid. We have our Lavender Essential Oil. I'm spilling the water. I have some water here. And a spray bottle, little small spray bottle. You can use witch hazel, whatever you desire. We need 2 cups. 2 cups of baking soda. Okay? 2 cups. So that's 1 cup. Let me bring my measuring bowl closer so you can see that it's here. 1 cup is in. And here's our 2nd cup. We have 2 cups of baking soda. We need 1 cup of citric acid. That's in as follows. Now we just need to take some of the lumps out of that. You don't want any lumps. You want it to be a smooth shower steamer. All right. You're gonna get your hands messy because you need to feel the texture of this. Okay, you need 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of whatever essential oil or fragrant oil that you're using. And with us, we are using what? We're using lavender. Lavender essential oil. Make sure I put the top on that. I'm gonna make sure that that's incorporated in a little bit. And of course, we're gonna use some bath bomb colorant. No, we're actually going to use mica. All right, I don't have much, but I don't need much. Because what are we doing? We're just doing a little tinge of lavender to make it. That's it. I didn't even use my popsicle stick, but I'm going to show you how much I put in. So there it is. We're going to stir that around some. And once we get this wet, that's when the color is going to come through. So don't you worry about it now. It smells really good. It really does. If you are a lavender lover, you're going to enjoy this one. And this will help you go to sleep at night, okay? This will be a good shower steamer when you're ready for bed and you want to relax and go to sleep. This will definitely help you go to sleep tonight. All right, now you can just use your spray bottle like so. A few pumps at a time. Just to get it wet and then you get your hands in it. Okay? It can be a little bit more purpley. Just a little bit more for my liking. So I'm going to grab my powder again with this one hand, because I already have the other hand in it, and try to just dust in just a little bit more, which nothing, of course, want to come out. There we go. Just a tinge more, that's all. And we, of course, we're gonna keep spraying our water. There you go. Little slight lavender. It smells so good. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is super duper. Super duper. That's the quote of today. Something silly, right? Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a very light lavender. Very light lilac tint, which I like. It smells so good. All right. Keep spraying. We haven't gotten to our consistency yet. So you spray a little bit at a time. There you go. It smells so good. All right. I have a little water here. I'm gonna use this. I wanna, me making a mess. You see me making a mess over here? There you go. Making a mess. It's almost there, guys. We're trying to get it to that consistency where it folds in your hand and it keeps its shape like that. So that's what we're looking for, right? To keep our shape. There you go. Just a little bit more. Okay. Yep, that should do it. All right, I like my color. There you go. Yep, that's it. We have our half bath bomb molds right here. And all you do is grab some in your hand and fill that mold up. Make sure you don't skimp. Fill it to the teeth. Okay? Press in. Make sure you press firmly down on it. Oh, it smells so good. It really does. There you go. Take all the excess off. And I have a tray right here, and I'm going to place it on the tray. We'll do that again. Make sure I get all my lavender out of my spoon. There you go. Place it in the mold. Make sure you stuff it in there real good and tight. And press down, firmly press down on it. Okay? There you go. Remove all the excess and place it on your tray. And you continue this until you finish with all of it, okay? I'm making sure that I get what's at the bottom. Make sure that bottom is incorporated in. You want everything. Making sure it's all incorporated in together. Nice little light lilac color. All right. There you go. Pack it in there good. Do you like me playing the music? So I'm not doing all that talking? Or you like to hear me talk? Comment down below. Do you like to hear me talk? Or you like the music? Or you like both because you don't want to hurt my feelings? How's everyone doing out there? Are y'all doing good today? I hope you're doing good, guys. I really hope y'all doing good today. Super duper, right? Super duper great. Use the quote of today in a sentence and write it down in the comments down below. How about that? That's a new one for you. Take the quote of today and put it in a sentence for me. All right. Just press down, guys. Press down hard. Beautiful, right? I don't know if you could tell, but it is. It's a nice little lavender color. Very light. All right, I'm going to be quiet so I can put some music on for you. How's that? All right. So we are completed with Heavenly Lavender shower steamers. Okay? So the next ones are going to be using fern needle. So it's just like the tree itself. It smells like the tree itself. Fern, needle, essential oil. Nice still for, you know, the winter holidays. Smell like trees in your house. So that's going to be nice. I want to do something special with those. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Have a great day. And take care of yourself. Be safe. Bye for now.